Hello children, how are you today? Today we'll go with the new topic, that is my neighborhood. What is that? My neighborhood. In the last class we have seen about my home, right? Before that we have seen about my school. My school is finished, my home is finished. Now we are with my neighbors. So what is neighborhood? What is neighborhood? Neighborhood means the place surrounded our home is called neighborhood. The places surrounded by our home is called neighborhood. Beside our house, what will be there? Some people will be there. Sometimes some shops will be there. To dead end of our street, we can have some shops, grocery shops, and what you can see more, uh, some auto stand will be there, right? So these are all the things surrounded to our house is called neighborhood. The place where it is surrounded with our house is called neighborhood, and the people who reside by our house, that is beside our house or in front of our house, all these people we call it as neighbors. Neighbors means the person or the people who are staying beside our house or in front of our house. That people we call it as neighbors. And what do you call your neighbors? Sometimes we'll call aunt, uncle, brother, sister, and we can have friends too also in our neighbor's house, right? So this is the chapter about the neighborhood. In that, what is neighborhood means? The area or place surrounded with, tell me, the area or place surrounded with some places are called neighborhood, and the people who are living nearby our home, very near to our home, they are called neighbors. And sometimes some far away families also we can know, that people we call it as friends. But whereas the people who stay near to our home, they are called neighbors. Okay. uh, we can see different kinds of buildings near our home, right? We can have different buildings. What you can see, generally the place where we live is called house, right? And in that houses also, different houses we can see: big house, small house, apartments. Yes, in nearby our house we can see some are big houses, some are small houses, some are apartments, like that. All these things are surrounded with our house. Or we can live in a colony, or we can have we can live in a quarters, or we can have a apartment, wherever we live. But the surrounded places is called neighborhood. And here are some places for you to learn. Generally, the place where we live is called house. The place where we live is called house. In that house also, small will be there, big will be there, or apartments, where a group of houses together constructed in one place, that are called apartments. So here is some different places we will see in this session. Different places. First one, a place, a place we live is called a house or apartment, or a flat, whatever it may be. The place where we live is called house. And a place to learn, where you learn in the house itself, right? The place where we, the place to learn, The place to learn is called school. The place where we can learn, that is called school. So we can read, write, play, all these things we can do at school, right? So here is the place we can learn the things. And a place where we shop, a place to shop, where we get the groceries or the shopping items. We can have the shops or malls where we can get the things, that is called shops or malls. We can get the groceries from the supermarkets, and milk booths will be there. To get the dairy products we can have milk booths, okay. And shops we can get the what is this, we can get the things from the shop, like sugar, all those things, whatever you need, you can get the things from the shops. And malls, where we can have all the items at one place, like clothes, grocery, and your daily needs, all those things you can get from one shop, that is called mall. Mall means a big shop where we get all the things at one place. So here we shop at shops and malls. The place where we eat, a place to eat, that means restaurants, hotels, yes, restaurants or hotels. Hotels are small, but the restaurants are very big, so that we can eat in that restaurants or hotels or anything. And a place to buy medicine, where we get the tablets or your medicinal syrups, all those things. Place where we can buy medicines. A place where we can buy the medicines is called pharmacy. Pharmacy means medical shops. We can see the medical shops, right? So in that, in medical shops we can buy the tablets or your cold cough syrups, all those things you can get from the medical shop. This is the place where we can get the medicines. And where we keep our money and get money, in ATM cards, right? Our money we can keep safe in banks. So a place to keep our money, or get our money. We can get our money also. That place we call it as bank. Bank is the place where we can keep our money safely, or we can get the money also. And place where we can see a doctor, a place to see a doctor, where we can see a doctor, that is clinic or hospital. Clinic means individually a doctor can uh, have a room, that is called clinic, where he can treat alone in that clinic, or 2 to 3 doctors can make a clinic, and there they can provide the treatment to the people. And hospital means hospital is the big one, that is all the people can consult the doctors of different categories. That means skin doctors will be there, and general physicians will be there, all the surgeons will be there. So all the doctors will come to hospital, whereas the clinic is the individual one. They can give the treatment from the clinic also. And these are the some of the places we can have our in our neighborhood. We can have the hotels or restaurants at our neighborhood. So banks nearby our home, we can have a bank. Schools will be there at our nearby our home. So the places whatever we can have very near to our home is called neighborhood, and the people near to our house is called neighbors, right? And here is grocery store. What you can get from the grocery store? Your daily needs and grocery stores. From grocery stores you can get your daily needs, that is to get some cheese, butter, all those things. We call it as grocery stores of some kind, sometimes. So supermarkets also, where you can get all your house need things. And next one is milk booth. Milk booth, there we can get only the milk products like curd, milk booth, where we can get the milk and milk products like cheese, butter, and all those things you can get from the milk booth. And hospital, I already said that hospital is the place where all the doctors will give the treatment. From that place is called hospital. And fruits and vegetable shop. Fruits and vegetable shop. Here only we can get the fruits as well as the vegetables, or we can call it as fruit market also, or vegetable market, so that we can get tomatoes, brinjals, and pumpkin. Rest of the things we can get the vegetables from the leafy vegetables also from the vegetable markets, as well as the fruits like apple, banana, mango, orange, cherries, strawberry, all the fruits you can get from the fruits and vegetables shop. So this is for today's session. This is enough, I think. Tomorrow we'll continue the part 2. What are the rest of the things are left in the lesson? We'll continue with that. Up to now, this is all about the neighborhood ones.